Hey everyone, welcome to the Zapier AI automation course. If you've ever wished that your apps could talk to each other automatically and save you hours of manual work, then you're going to love Zapier. Imagine this. A customer fills out a form on your website. Instead of manually checking the form, copying the lead into a spreadsheet, sending a welcome email, and notifying your team. What if all of that happened automatically? That's exactly what Zapier does. Zapier is a no-code automation platform that connects thousands of apps together. Apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, Airtable, ChatGPT, HubSpot, Shopify, and many more. With Zapier, you can create automated workflows called Zaps. A Zap usually has two main parts: a trigger, something happens, and an action. Zapier responds automatically. For example, when someone submits a Google form, Zapier automatically adds the data to Google Sheets. That's a simple automation. But with AI, things become even more powerful. Imagine a lead comes in. Zapier sends the lead information to ChatGPT. ChatGPT writes a personalized email. Then Zapier automatically sends that email to the customer. No manual work required. Now let's talk about money. Why are so many freelancers and agencies learning Zapier? Because businesses want automation. Business owners are tired of repetitive tasks. They want systems that save time, reduce mistakes, and help them scale. And they're willing to pay for it. Many freelancers charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 or more for a single automation project. Some build automation agencies and earn recurring monthly revenue by maintaining workflows for clients. You can find Zapier jobs on freelance platforms, offer automation services to local businesses, or build complete AI automation systems for companies. Throughout this course, you'll learn everything from basic Zaps to advanced AI-powered workflows that real businesses use every day. In the next lesson, we'll learn how Zapier actually works and understand the three most important concepts you need to know before building your first automation. Let's get started.